Chalo, look at this here. So let us come to the definition now again. What he was saying, a polynomial p of x has a factor x minus a if and only if p of a is equal to 0. P of a means what here? See, a value, whatever the value you are substituting, whatever the a value you are substituting in a given polynomial, if I am getting 0 is equal to 0, then x minus a is going to be my factor of the given polynomial. Look at this here. Look at this here. Now here x is equal to minus 3, right? X is equal to minus 3. If x is equal to minus 3, if you are not, look at the x value, what do we substitute here? Minus 3, right? If x is equal to minus 3, I'm getting 0 is equal to 0. So if x is equal to minus 3 means x plus 3 is going to be my factor. X plus 3 is going to be my factor. So x is equal to minus 3, right? So I'll write x is equal to x minus 3 is a factor. Wrong. You should not write minus 3. If I'm getting minus 3 here, you must write plus here. Why? Because if I equate with a 0, I am going to get minus 3 only. Getting my point? So x plus 3 is a factor now. What is a factor? What is a factor?
X plus 3.
So therefore, factor of x square plus x minus 3 is x plus 3 and x minus 2. Why x minus 2 here? We got it. Look at this here. 2 is satisfying, right? So x minus 2. So now what are the factors? Look at this here. So let us write here. Therefore, factors of x square plus x minus 6 is or x minus 3 and x plus 2. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So why we are writing this? Why? Because x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2. If I substitute in a given polynomials, I'm getting 0 and 0 here. Getting my point? That is the reason. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this here. Make a copy. Make a note of it. Guys, you can just revise this after going home. If you want, you can copy. I'll be sharing these notes. Don't worry. Clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Any doubts now?
No doubt, sir.
So I think now we'll discuss factor theorem questions. So remainder theorem questions. Questions of remainder theorem. Yes, somebody say that. Any one of you, give me any question from remainder theorem for solving remainder theorem.
Okay, sir, 1 second. Yes, sir. X to the power 4
Yes,
plus x cube.
x to the power of 4. No.
Plus x.
One second. First, let us take third degree equation. Let them understand.
Okay, sir. X cube minus 2x square
X
plus x
cube.
plus 1.
One second, man. One second. X cube
Minus 2x square plus x plus 1
make it fast. You should give.
divided by
correct.
x minus 1.
People are waiting here. Sorry. You have to be on time. If you are joining late, no one is going to admit you. We'll be busy with the discussion. If you guys are joining late, then no one is going to respond to your messages. Clear? So please, we have to divide by what?
X minus 1.
Divide this polynomial by x minus
X.
1. Look at this here. Try to understand Ashini and Aditya.
Yes, sir.
By x minus 1 is saying. He is asking us to divide the given polynomial by x minus 1. So x minus 1 means what? I supposed to take x is equal to 1.
Some one x is equal to 1.
1. So Shreyan, are you Ashini or are you Aditya? Tell me.
That's it.
If I ask you, just you give me the answers. Okay. I must write 1 here as it is. And look at this here. Let me write coefficients of x cube. What is the coefficient of x cube? 1. What is the coefficient of x square? Minus 2. What is the
Minus
coefficient of x? 1.
1.
What is constant? 1. And look at this here. Let me draw this line. Clear? And let me write this 1 as it is here. I'm telling you shortcut. This is synthetic method. Okay, there is synthetic method. This method is called as synthetic method. So let me write this 1 as it is here. If I write 1 as it is, what I'm going to get here? 1 into 1, I'm going to get 1 here. So minus 2 plus 1. How much? Minus 1. Again, 1 into this minus 1. Minus 1. Getting my point? 1 minus 1, how much? 0. Right? So 1
Yes.
into 0, how much? 0.
0.
So 1 minus 0, how much? 1 plus 0, how much? 1. So this is my remainder now. 1 is my remainder. Getting my point?
Sir, I didn't understand the synthetic method.
Look at this here. Who is that?
Ashini, sir.
Look at this here.
Sir,
X is equal to, why we are taking x is equal to 1 here? He has given x minus 1. X minus 1. Right? Getting my
Yes,
point?
sir. Yes, sir.
Let me tell you. X minus 1 given. So let me take x is equal to 1 here. X minus 1 means I must equate with a 0 and x is equal to 1. If I substitute x is equal to 1, look at the x is equal to 1. So I'm taking the coefficients of the given polynomial. First, I'm writing this 1 as it is here. So 1 means 1 here. This 1 into 1. This 1 into 1 is 1, right? 1 into 1, 1. I'm writing
Yes.
this 1 here. Minus 2 plus 1, how much? Minus 1. Again,
Yes,
this
sir.
1 into minus 1, how much? Minus 1. Add these two again. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 1 into 0, how much? 0.
0.
Add these two again. 1 plus 0, 1. This is my remainder. So what is my
Okay, sir.
equation now? What is my equation now? So look at this here. What is my equation now? We are converting the cubic equation into quadratic equation so that I can find out factors easily, right? So what is my 1 means what here? 1, right? What is my equation now? 1 into x square minus 1 into x plus 0. Getting my point? So x square minus x. What are the factors of x square minus x? Tell me, what is the factors of x? If I equate
The
to
x square minus x, sir.
x square,
Minus x.
x square minus x means x square is equal to x. X will get cancelled. X is equal to 1. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 1, as simple as that. Now let us solve one more question.
Come on.
Question like 2x cube plus x square minus 13x plus 6. Okay, this is the question given. Divide by what? X plus 2. Let us check. X plus 2 means I must take x is equal to minus 2 here. Divide by x plus 2. He is giving x plus 2, right? So first we'll solve by long division method. Let me tell you long division method as well as synthetic method. Synthetic method means shortcut. Long division method means your board concept.
Sir, you explained earlier.
Yeah, I have explained earlier, right? Long division.
Yes, sir.
Yes, let me solve by both methods. Look at this here. Look at this here. With what number if I multiply? So I'll be getting x cube, 2x cube, 2x square, right? See here, if you're not understanding that, so how did I write 2x square here? If you're not understanding that, let me tell you a shortcut. What is the first term of my dividend? First term of dividend is 2x cube. What is my first term of divisor? X.
X.
Divide with x. Why? Because we are dividing, right? We are dividing. Since we are dividing, we must divide. So 1x will get cancelled. What you remain with? 2x square. You remain with what? 2x square. So I'm writing 2x square. Now multiply 2x square into x, 2x cube, 2x square into 2, 4x square. Understanding, Ashini?
Yes, sir.
Now subtract. Symbols will change, right? Subtract this. What I'm going to get here? Plus 2x cube minus 2x cube will get cancelled. And plus 4x square plus x square. How much? 5x square minus 13x plus 16. I'm carrying this here. As it is, I'm carrying out. Okay. Now again, look at this here. Plus, with what number I must multiply so that I'll get 5x square? With 5x, as simple as that. If I multiply 5x by x into x, how did you get 5x, sir? What I told you, first term of this thing divided by this one. So 5x square divided by x. X will get cancelled. I'm getting 5x here. So that is
5x.
what there is a 5x already. So now again you multiply 5x into this x, 5x square. Again 5x into 2 plus 10x. Clear? Clear, ma? Subtract
Yes, sir.
again. Subtract again. Plus 5x square minus 5x square will get minus 23, so minus 13 minus 10 minus 23x. I'm carrying this plus 6 here as it is. So again look at this here. With what number I must multiply so that I'll be getting 23x? Tell me. With the 23
Minus 23.
Minus 20.
as it is. If I multiply 23 into x, 23x. 23.
Sir, minus 23, sir.
If you multiply with the 23, nothing, yes. Minus 23. Minus 23 to x, minus 23x. Minus 23 into 2, minus 46. Subtract now. When I'm subtracting, symbols will get changed. Plus 23 minus 23 will get cancelled. Plus 46.
52.
So 40. So this is my remainder now.
Sir, doubt,
Sir,
sir.
52, no, sir.
Yeah, 52 no, sir. How 40, sir?
Okay. My goodness. 52 is going to be my remainder. Any doubts? 52
No, sir.
is my remainder.
No, sir.
So by using long division method, my remainder was 52. Let us check by synthetic method now. Synthetic method. He is asking us to divide by what? X plus 2, right? So he is asking by divide by x plus 2. What I must take here? X is equal to minus 2 I take. So what? Let me write coefficients first. Let me write coefficient. What are the coefficients I have here? 2, 1, minus 13, 6. Isn't it, guys? These are the coefficients I have.
Yes, sir.
X cube coefficient is 2. X square coefficient is 1. X coefficient is minus 13. Constant as it is, I'm writing. Clear? Look at this now. So what I told you, first step will be as it is. So let me write this 2 as it is. Now minus 2 into 2. How much? Minus 4. Add these two. Minus 4 plus 1. Minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3. How much? Plus 6.
6.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Plus 6.
Minus 7.
Minus 7. Isn't it?
Yes,
Minus 2 into minus 7. How much? Plus 14. If I add
14.
this, I'm getting 20. But we are remainder, our remainder is different here. How come it is possible? Then we made something wrong. Look at this here. First, I need to check that whether my 2 is factor of given polynomial or not. Look at this here. So this is my polynomial, right? 2x cube plus x square minus 13x plus 6. I must equate to the 0. So if I substitute x value as -1, what I'm going to get? Let us check. By
It will
trial
be
and
-1, sir.
minus
Like
2
x plus 2, excuse me, sir.
so -1 is not possible. See here, why? Because I'm not getting 0 is equal to 0. Yes, tell me, Kavya.
Sir, why are you taking -1, sir? When x plus 2 is equal to 0 and we'll get x is equal to -2.
Yes, see, x
Why
is
did you-
equal to -2 I have taken. So if I do x is equal to -2, my remainder was something different, right? So then did we make any calculation mistake? Huh? Have we made any mistake here? -2, 2, 1, -13, 6, 2 here. We are getting still 20 only, man. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then somewhere we made a mistake here. Look at this here. 2x cube.
Yes, sir. Sir, for the first step, sir,
Of
you
course.
wrote plus
Sir,
4x
first
square. It
step.
should be minus
Yes,
4x square.
Yes, sir.
It should be minus 3x square. You wrote 5x square.
-4 expression.
So second term you got a mistake there, sir.
The second time
Yeah.
you did it.
-2x. It should be -4x square.
Yes, yes,
It
yes.
should be
yes.
minus 4x.
See. Very good.
We did a mistake. What is
See here, synthetic method, I thought then the given factor x minus 2 is not going to be the factor. I thought like that. So I checked x is equal to -1. That is not going to satisfy. So he only given x is equal to -2 factor. So -2 you have to take. Remainder is what? 20. This is my remainder now. So here minus we must write, right? Minus here. So then what I'm going to get now?
Minus 3x square.
1 second. Minus 3x square minus 13x plus 6. So with what number I must multiply so that I'll get minus 3x square?
Minus 3x.
Minus 3x. So minus 3x into x square minus 3x square minus 3x into 2 minus 6x. So plus. It will get cancelled. Here I'm going to get 9x. I'm carrying this one plus 6. So with what number I must multiply now again?
9.
Plus 9. Plus 9x plus 18. Plus 18, isn't it? Here,
So again we won't get the answer.
here minus
So
13.
again we're getting minus 12, sir.
Minus 13 minus 13 plus 6, how much da? Plus 7. So here plus 7 then. So 7x plus 14 minus
Yes, sir. 20.
1 second, we are making mistake again somewhere. Calculation mistake.
Sir, you did your mistake.
Minus 13 plus 6, right?
Yes.
So, yeah, what's happening?
Minus 7 plus 6.
-7 plus 6.
1 second, let me write clearly again. 1 second. So minus 13x plus 6. So with what number I supposed to multiply?
Sir, with 3, sir, minus 3x. Sir, minus 13.
Minus
So
13.
So minus 13 only, sir.
So -4x plus x square minus 3x square minus 13x.
Yes, sir. You did not do
Minus
You did not do this.
3x square
that. 3x
minus
square
13x
minus 13x plus 6.
minus
So
3x.
3x, sir. So 3x.
Then only -13x should come down, right?
Yeah, minus 13x I'm writing as it is here. I'm carrying out.
Yes, sir. So plus 6 should come afterwards, right?
Nothing will happen. Nothing. Yes. If you write, doesn't matter. If you write, if you're not writing also, no problem. Yeah, let us write. Nothing will happen. You can carry it out here.
Yes, sir. No problem.
So minus 3 into x, minus 3x square, minus 3x, minus plus 6x, minus 6x minus 3x into 2 minus 6x. So plus plus this will get cancelled, minus 7x. Let me carry this 6 here, plus 6. So let me multiply with minus 7. Minus 7 into x minus 7x minus 14. Look at this, plus plus this will get cancelled, 20 is my remainder. Look at this again, here and here I am getting 20 20. Getting my point, children?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
see, if you make a simple mistake, what will happen? Everything will get collapsed. See, easy question, we took this much of time. If you make instead of plus, if you write minus, everything will get collapsed. So be careful. Clear? I hope you understood, children. So try to solve this question as much as possible, as many questions you can. You please go through that and solve it.
Sir, actually, I didn't do exercise of polynomials.
Please
So,
go through that as many,
yes, sir.
as many as you can. Please go through
Sir,
that and solve that. Clear? So please be careful
Yes,
with the
sir.
calculations. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, not good.